Alright people, y'all said y'all want some action. Y'all about to get some action. Not really, kind of action, but anyway. Got good old Franken, got the Gravely Franken Tiller. This customer here, he told me that during the snow, he got his truck stuck in his yard. One of my regular customers. He got his truck stuck in his yard, but I don't see no tracks unless he got it stuck in the backyard. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what is this dude talking about. He said he messed up his yard. I don't know if he's talking about this. That's not that big of a deal. He can't be talking about that because he called me like it was an emergency. I told him I'd be out here. They'd be talking about the back. Yeah, he's talking about the back. Alright. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna leave y'all in suspense while I play the intro. Yeah. Yeah. What? I thought I'd have brought Franken Tiller, like I'm gonna till this up. Yeah. This will take me forever. So I guess y'all not about to get no action today. I'm gonna have to tell them I'm gonna rent a big bad boy for this. A big old tiller. But I'll get it fixed. Alright people, we are back on scene. As you can see, got good old Franken Tiller. Decided to use Franken Tiller for this because I don't really need the big one because as you can see I got topsoil, but it's way too much damage. I was hoping if I got the big tiller maybe I can just till everything down, but yeah, it's way too much damage. So I got some topsoil. I'm just gonna fill in the spots, try to smooth it out. Probably got way too much topsoil. Anywho, gonna make it do what it do. I'll figure out something to do with this topsoil. I might put it in my house, I guess. Alright, people. Got it done. I don't know if y'all remember the spots. There's a spot right there, spot right there. Here's the big spot that was right here. A little tire spot over here. Let me flip it around. Y'all probably saw it better this way. Yeah. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Give it some water a couple of weeks. You got you some grass, baby. Anywho, about to head to the house. I just got off this morning from work. Came out here, did this, so now I'm about to head to the house and catch some Z's. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.